TV11 weather forecast with meteorologist Mary Marshall.
Good morning, everyone. Some showers on the way this morning, but the good news is it will clear by game time. Maybe for the tailgate, you'll get a few sprinkles. Here's our cold front getting ready to approach the area. It is over western Maryland now, about to approach the Hagerstown area, and these are the showers that are associated with it. You can see they're pretty hit or miss, a lot of clouds, but we do still have some warm, moist air to tap into, so that could lead to some showers breaking out this morning as the front makes its way into the area. So around Hagerstown, you see that line beginning to enter there. This will move across the area within the next few hours. So I'd say between maybe 10 a.m. and noon is when we could see some showers begin to pop up. Much cooler, though, in western Maryland. 59 degrees in Oakland, where the cooler air has started to make its way in. 78 at BWI now. It's 80 downtown Baltimore and 75 in Westminster. Dew points are still in the 70s, and that makes it feel a little muggy outside. So it feels as if it's 85 downtown Baltimore, and it feels more like 80 at BWI. Here's what we're expecting for today. High temperatures 82 to 85, much cooler than yesterday when we hit the mid-90s for daytime high temperatures. Showers this morning, and then partly cloudy by the afternoon, and cooler, thankfully. We could all use a little bit of relief around here. So here's what we're looking at for the Ravens game. If you are heading out today, I think you're still okay with short sleeves out there. We'll see temperatures around 82 degrees by 1 p.m., 84 by 4 p.m. under partly cloudy skies. So here's what we are looking at around the region for later today. See those showers pushing into the area this morning. This is at 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. You can see those scattered showers making their way in. As we advance the clock a little further, 10 a.m. still dealing with some showers, but somewhere around 11 a.m. those showers do begin to push over to the eastern shore, and then by 1 p.m. they've even left the eastern shore, and they're out of here, just left with some partly cloudy skies and cooler weather for today, and it looks really good tonight as temperatures cool off to the 50s. So here's what it looks like over the next few days on the 7-day forecast. We'll find those temperatures right around the 80-degree mark for tomorrow. See that high right around 80 under mostly sunny skies. Waking up tomorrow morning with a temperature of 59 degrees. Boy, that's going to feel really refreshing. 83 Tuesday under mostly sunny skies. Another cold front is swinging our way on Wednesday. That'll give us a chance for rain. We'll see the temperatures up to 86 degrees before that cooler air arrives. And then looks really great for Thursday and Friday with highs in the mid-70s, overnight lows in the 50s. So 55 as you wake up Thursday morning, 75 by Thursday afternoon. That's going to be a great day. Saturday, a few clouds do push in. We're back up to 81 degrees. It still looks very comfortable, and it looks like we'll see some rain once again on Sunday. Thank you, Mary.